Earning money is one thing, but managing it, that's a whole different game. जब सैलरी आती है, एक्साइटमेंट होती है, but before the month ends, you are left wondering where did all the money go? This cycle repeats every month, and before you know it, you are stuck in a paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. But what can be done so that this doesn't have to be your story? अगर आज आप अपने फाइनेंसेस को सही से कंट्रोल कर लेते हो, तो आप अपनी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेस को एलिमिनेट कर सकते हो. And that's exactly what we will discuss in this video. We will break down a foolproof system to manage money, budget better, save smarter, and start investing even if you have no experience. So watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to take charge of your money like a pro. Before we talk about managing money, let's first understand why most people fail at it. First reason is that money feels infinite at the start of the month. जब सैलरी आती है, we feel rich, but after a few impulsive spends, we suddenly realize that the month is longer than our bank balance. That's because we don't have a spending plan. Second reason is instant gratification versus future security. आजकल लोग फास्ट डोपामीन के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, जोमैटो ऑर्डर्स, इंपल्सिव स्पेंडिंग ऑन सेल्स. बट जब फ्यूचर का थॉट आता है, लाइक रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग, होम, फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी, इट फील्स टू फार, तो हम सब कुछ इग्नोर कर देते हैं. थर्ड रीजन इज लैक ऑफ फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस. मोस्ट पीपल बिलीव दैट बजटिंग इज रिस्ट्रिक्टिव, इन्वेस्टिंग इज रिस्की, एंड सेविंग इज बोरिंग. बट द ट्रूथ इज दैट money is a tool that, if used correctly, gives you freedom. So how can we fix this mindset? Simply by implementing a structured system that ensures you don't have to think about money daily, but still you stay in control. One of the biggest reasons why people fail to save is that they follow the wrong approach, that they spend first, save later. But the wealthy people follow the opposite approach. They save first and then spend whatever is left after saving. A simple rule that makes it easy for you is the 50-30-20 rule. Let's break it down. It says 50% of your salary goes towards your essentials, that is your needs. This includes all your necessary expenses, rent, food, utilities, transport, EMIs, insurance, etc. No matter how much you earn, this category should not exceed 50% of your income. If it does, find ways to cut down on unnecessary costs. Next 30% of your salary goes towards lifestyle and fun, that is your wants. This is where most people mess up. This includes shopping, dining out, movies, travel, subscriptions. Make sure whatever you are spending in this category never exceeds 30% of your income. If you are spending beyond this, you are living beyond your means. Balance at least 20% is for your savings and investments. The most important part, आपको सैलरी आने के बाद पहले सेविंग और इन्वेस्टिंग करनी चाहिए, फिर बचा हुआ मनी खर्च करना चाहिए. Ideally start by investing at least 20% of your salary. और अगर जल्दी फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम चाहिए तो इसको 30 या 40% तक भी पुश कर सकते हो. Now that you know how to divide your salary, let's talk about an easy method to budget money without tracking every rupee manually. It's called the 3 account system. Instead of keeping all your money in one single bank account and spending randomly, divide your money into 3 dedicated accounts, each serving a particular purpose. You should have one dedicated account as your expense account. All your necessary expenses like rent, bills, food, transport should be paid from this account. ये आपका प्राइमरी अकाउंट होगा जिससे आपकी मंथली लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन होगी. सेकेंड अकाउंट यू शुड हैव इज इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड वेल्थ बिल्डिंग अकाउंट. जैसे ही सैलरी आए, अपना 20 से 30% अमाउंट इस अकाउंट में शिफ्ट कर दो. ये मनी आप सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के लिए यूज करोगे, लाइक इन म्यूचुअल फंड, स्टॉक्स, SIPs और इवन बिल्डिंग अ बिजनेस. थर्ड अकाउंट यू शुड हैव इज इमरजेंसी फंड अकाउंट. अनएक्सपेक्टेड मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस, जॉब लॉस, कार रिपेयर्स, हाउस रिपेयर्स, लाइफ इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, इसलिए एटलीस्ट 6 मंथ्स की लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस का एक इमरजेंसी फंड बनाओ. ये मनी इजीली एक्सेसिबल होना चाहिए, बट नॉट टू इजी दैट यू स्पेंड इट. इफ यू फॉलो दिस सिस्टम, आप बिना किसी स्ट्रेस के अपना मनी मैनेज कर सकते हो, बिकॉज योर सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स विल हैपन ऑटोमेटिकली. सेविंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बट कीपिंग ऑल योर मनी इन अ सेविंग्स अकाउंट इज अ बिग मिस्टेक, बिकॉज इन्फ्लेशन kills your money's value over time. Choose the place or asset to park your money as per the purpose for which that money you are saving. Few examples could be For emergency fund, you could have a high interest savings account or fixed deposit. For building long-term wealth, you can invest in index funds through lump sum or SIPs. For diversification, you can have a gold ETF or REIT. And for extra cash that you might have, you can put it into fixed deposits, which will only provide stability, not growth. Invest at least 20 to 30% of your salary every month, and no matter what, start early. Even with rupees 5,000 per month in SIPs can make you a crorepati in 25 years. If you want your money to grow, start investing early. The earlier you start, the bigger your wealth will be. All thanks to the power of compounding. So now let's quickly recap what all we discussed. You should budget wisely, save smartly, and invest consistently. Your financial future depends on the decision you make today. Let me know in the comments below how much you are saving and investing. And अगर ये वीडियो वैल्यूएबल लगा, do like the video and share this video so that more people can learn the right way to manage money. And subscribe to my channel for more simple and actionable financial content. With that said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much.